speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.
So guys, I'm at the port right now. We are taking a tour of the port of Kisumu. So stay tuned and see how it is. It's not allowed to take videos, so you have to take in a style that pleases God and pleases the authority. So this is the port. You can see ship. Hizi ships zinaenda wapi na wapi? Ama tu ziko tu? O zinaenda za cargo ama hata watu?
Za cargo.
Cargo peke yake? Wangeleta hata za watu. At least hata tupande ya kwenda Uganda.
Napeleka tu cargo ya mafuta.
Oh, kuna ile ya mafuta kule the other side.
Yes.
Na hizi?
Hizi ni tayo.
Oh, okay.
Kuna ship yenye itatoka Tanzania kuja.
Oh, Tanzania? Yeah. Aha. Oh, mtu analipia mzigo wake unaenda all the way to Tanzania.
Azin tunauza Tanzania.
Oh, mnauza Tanzania. Oh, okay. Okay. Na ile
ndio inapeleka steel Uganda.
Oh, steel, eh?
Yes.
Oh, I'm being told the ships on the other end are taking steel to Uganda. You know, so Uganda is a landlocked country.
Yeah.
It doesn't have outlets of any ocean, so they have to use Kenya to transport most of the goods.
Yeah.
Okay. Kuna MV Uhuru na ile
ni MV Uhuru na ziko MV Uhuru mbili.
MV Uhuru mbili. So those are MV Uhuru. Kuna ingine?
Hii ni moja, ile nyingine ya pili.
Na ile ingine inaitwa MV
Kabaka Mtemi.
Kabaka Mtemi. Kabaka Mtemi was a king in Uganda. You remember history?
Yeah.
Okay, at least I remember a bit. Okay, naweza fika hapa.
Oh. It was given a name because at least they are transporting.
You remember history in Kenya when Kabaka Mutemi, there was Kabaka Mutemi and Kabaka 1 and Kabaka 2.
Yeah.
Oh, I remember those. Oh, so that ship is named after Kabaka Mutemi. Okay.
Kuna ingine pia inaitwa Mountain Goat.
Na hizi zinapeleka?
Hizi?
Aha.
Hapa tukapata asilimia.
Oh, haziendi mahali?
This is a tanker, you see?
Oh, yeah, it's written tanker 1, tanker 2.
Yeah.
I think the other one has a big capacity.
Yeah.
Niliona iko na nini of, is it 4.5 million liters or it's? Yes.
Ni kubwa sana ile hii.
Ni kubwa. Is it 4.5 or 5.5? Something of the sort. Million, yeah. Yes. So it carries a big number. Yeah, so this is it. So this is one of the tankers. So here you have to record in a style before you are seen. You know? Wanakuanga warevu. Tiwalevi. Werevu wanaona. Sinaona wale huko the other side. Yeah, so this is it here. Hizi ni zile chuma za docking, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, you can see these ones. They are the ones that they tie the rope for the docking of the ship. Yeah. Okay, the breeze is nice. See the lake.
I think here you can get a very big fish.
Can you help me to?
Yeah.
Oh, I am sure there are big fish here. The name of this bird looks like the bird that is called secretary bird. Secretary birds works in a... Hey, This place looks nice. The breeze itself is nice. This place is smelling fish.
Yeah, I think the smell has reduced. It used to be worse when fish died in the lake.
Oh.
Nice,
But kwa sahi, hii meli ni ya fishery.
Oh, fisheries.
Walienda Rusinga 3 days hapo. Wakarudi leo, hao ndio walirudi na samaki zenye unasikia hiyo harufu.
Oh, wenye wana fish. Kuna watu wanaenda huko wana fish wanarudi.
Wanashika wenye wanatumia net mbaya mbaya.
Oh.
Walienda Rusinga. Wakakaa huko for 3 days.
Oh, this is for the authorities, eh?
Yeah,
The fisheries.
Yeah, uvumbuzi.
Okay, uvumbuzi.
Kenya 005.
Okay. You see there is Department of Immigration Kisumu on the other side. RV uvumbuzi.
So guys, this is the
If you're using bad nets, actually I've never seen a nini dock. Look at how when the ship, the anchor, how it, so you drop it, eh?
Yeah, you drop it. That is like an emergency brake.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you know when a ship is on water, does it stop? So it doesn't have like brakes to stop even when someone or there is a boat ahead. You just, they can collide with the other one. Okay. So yeah guys, this is a Kenya port. Is it Kenya Port Authority of Kisumu?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kenya Lake.
But naona mkona zid, like the small boat someone can do.
Coast Guard. Hizi ni za rescue.
Oh, and is a rescue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Zile ziko pale.
Oh, I'm told these are rescuing boats. Yeah, so this is the...
So when the ship has got a problem, maybe people are drowning, it helps in
Oh, bado ni a fisheries. Oh, this is a fishery too, a fishery boat, you know. So guys, it's a great tour inside here, the Marine Port Authority of Kisumu. I can see some cargos on the other side. Those ile inakaa kama ya stare ile. That one looks like a one you can just take and have a ride with tourists.
This place looks amazing.
A good tour. This is the rescue boat, water ambulance. You see, they have...
The NHF logo.
Yes. Oh, these people are really... What about the ship on the other end?
Huko ni shipyard kwa wanajeshi.
Oh, kwa wanajeshi.
Wanatengeneza meli.
Okay.
Meli zinatengenezwa pale.
Oh, I'm told that is where the ships are made. On the other side, that is the Kenya Navy. Kenya Navy. Yeah, that is where Kenya Navies are, and that's where they make those ships.
That's where there is a boundary.
Yeah.
Okay. Na easy.
Rescue.
Oh, for rescue, eh? Hey, you guys have really mko very inaitwaje? Mmejihami.
Kabisa. Kabisa.
Mmejihami na rescue boats.
Kabisa.
Kuna ma rescue boats mingi na fisheries. To protect our lakes sana.
Yeah.
It is
unaona hizi ile kama zile meli zinatoka sana ile ya mafuta Uganda. Naenda kidogo pale. Before ifike kuna mali huko inasimama. Lazima hao watoe boat wapost.
Oh,
Hata
okay.
ikitoka hapa lazima isindikizwe hadi kwa hiyo arrow ndio.
Oh, there is a arrow on the other side.
Yeah,
The green and the...
Yeah,
Okay.
haiwezi toka tu huko ikuje ingie tu kwa port. Kuna mahali ikifika inasimama, lazima wamuende.
Oh, na ndo maana kuna siku nimekaa pale local beach. I saw these boats coming from this side, going to the other end. I actually thought they are engineers coming from this side. So it's the coastal... Oh, this one is Kenya Coastal. This one looks like a police one. Oh, it's a coast guard. Na kuna polisi wanazunguka huku kwa lake kweli.
Wakienda kushika tu ya hao fisheries. Wakienda ndani ya baharini. Ndio wenye wanatumia na kama wainspektiwa na polisi.
Oh, this is what they use, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think
Wow,
that's
this
good knowledge.
Yeah, at least you can know that.
So ile machine hiyo ya kukata water hyacinth. Unaona hiyo?
Oh.
Mashine gani?
Ndio ilikuwa
Oh, hii.
Ruto.
Hii
Not even Ruto, it was Uhuru.
Oh, I'm
Uhuru
told
the one who launched it.
actually this place doesn't have water hyacinth.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the machine that is used to cut those water hyacinth. You see how clean the lake looks like? It's very clean.
Water hyacinth used to invade this place like
Yeah,
something else.
they are really bad, and you know it's also not good for the ships,
Yeah, even for the fish.
even for the fish.
They make
So
them suffocate.
this is the machine used to do that. Bado iko in a function.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still functioning there. The machine is still functioning.
But I used to hear that those water hyacinth, they used to take them and use them as a manure.
Yeah.
Water hyacinth.
Yeah.
They were used.
After
To-
cutting them out.
You know that was a nini in the Impala.
Oh, yeah, that's what.
That hotel that was in Impala.
After cutting them.
Hey, ona
then
hiyo
they use
kikitu
manure.
kimeingia pale ndani. So this is the machine used to cut water hyacinth. There is a key thing that is going in. It looks like a big lizard. So this is the water hyacinth, as you can see down here. So but the other side you can see how clean the lake is. So this is the machine they use.
That's a good innovation.
Yeah, it's a good one. Huh? This is what they use to cut. So this we have MV Uhuru, the two MV Uhurus. So hizi zinaendanga wapi?
Uganda.
Oh, zinabeba cargo.
Stills.
Oh, still eh?
Yeah.
Hey, watuletea kutubeba yenye itakuwa inatupeleka Uganda.
Very soon.
Tutakubaliwa kuingia.
Tutakuwa na abiria.
Oh, itakuwa na abiria.
Yeah.
Naona no
This for
photography.
transporting in Yakuta.
The train comes up to this point
Yeah. Hadi
to bring steel, eh?
Yes.
Oh, inaleta steel mpaka pale ina load.
Yeah,
Oh, actually, you see there is a railway coming all the way from the railway side, from the companies that are producing steel, all the way to the ship, and then it... Wow, actually I had not noticed. It loads the ships and then takes them to Uganda. What? Okay. I had not noticed that. Okay. You can see the railway that brings steel to the MV Uhuru. So that's where those are the ships that are taking the steel to Uganda. Oh, I didn't notice.
To the ship. In fact, a train getting into the ship.
You know that the steel is very heavy.
Yeah.
The steel is very heavy. That one steel is very heavy. So
Imagine the whole train entering the ship. Imagine how big it is.
it's that train that we have seen on the other side. You have seen it.
That's so amazing.
You can help me.
With the Kenya Marine,
Kenya Navy.
Kenya Navy, where they
Shipyard.
It's a shipyard. They make the ship. Is it making or
fabricating.
I don't know how it's called. Is it called fabricating?
Yeah.
Are you
Because the
sure?
metal needs to be fabricated attached to each other. After doing that, and then
That's where they produce the ships
Yeah.
from. English is not our second language. It's our third.
It's not English in
English is our third language, you know.
manufacturing the ship or making the ship.
Manufacturing. Is it manufacturing or producing or making? Guys, let me know in the comment section. I don't know. Is it fabricating?
Fabricating is the best word.
Hey, English is not my other second language or my first, it's my third. So you see the railway. Oh, and also the Kisumu International Airport on the other end. There is a jumbo jet that is going to land. Cereal boat. Kwa serious. You see, it has already landed. Actually, Kisumu International Airport is not far. On the other side. Only that I cannot zoom for you. So look at this view. Na inaletanga still lini na lini? Train.
Ziko tu.
Ama waleti leo? It's on a Sunday. Ama washaleta.
Washapa. So from tomorrow wanaanza kuzileta.
Oh.
Ingie ndani ya meli.
Okay.
Meli ilirudi jana ikitoka Uganda.
Okay.
So wanapumzika leo.
Kesho ndo waanze
Ziko tu
safari.
pale railway station iko tu hapa Chui.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the railway station is there?
Yeah, it's there.
Now I see. Now I see. Hatuwezi ingia kwa hizi boats. Ama tutakatala.
Wenyewe wangekuwa
Oh. Yeah, sahi.
hao wenye wanalinda wangekuwa
at least. Okay. And actually the town is just here, the CBD of Kisumu, because I can see cantons.
Yeah. It's just here.
Wow. And the State House on the other end.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, US is all over. I can see United. Huh? You see US is all over. Can you see the US flag?
Yes, it's all over.
Yeah. So that is the tour of Kisumu Port. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please you watch it until the end. Yeah, so don't skip. Because
we have amazing video towards the end.
Yes, this is an amazing video. You know?
Hapa. Actually, we have one of our tour guide there. Forgot to introduce you to her. What's your name?
Evelyn.
Evelyn.
Yeah.
So
Evelyn?
you are a resident of Kisumu.
Yeah, I'm a resident of Kisumu.
Nango.
Kisumu Dala.
Nango. Do you say Nango?
Berainya.
That's the only thing I know.
I have a friend of mine here, she'll be learning Lua.
Guys, I only know Nango.
She only knows Nango. But I think she's not interested in learning the Luo language.
He's not teaching me. So how will I learn if you're not teaching me?
I'll start from the scratch.
Please do.
From today. She's going to look for a notebook, eh?
Yeah, where I'll be writing.
Yeah, I need her to know some of the Luo language.
So, these are the offices of UNE, the Coast Guard.
Yeah.
Okay. Donated by the US Embassy. Yeah.
And they're very decent and clean.
Very.
These cranes.
Oh yeah, these cranes.
Oh, the cranes.
Ndani ya maji.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, from the production place, to
Oh.
the. You are not
To the
focusing.
lake. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Guys,
Okay.
I wanted to show you my outfit, but Orina is
Let's
showing
go.
on the other side.
Let's go.
So these are the cranes that I used to put a ship after production. Is it production or manufacturing after it is manufactured,
Fabricating.
or it's fabricated? Fabrication, you know, is like, what is the meaning of fabricating?
Taking
It's
a
like,
metal and dividing into pieces and
are you
welding.
sure that is what is called fabrication?
I'm sure. Have you ever seen
We need
these
to go and sit
containers?
down and Google that. Fabrication is like I take something and fabricate it.
I think it's
English
like
is
this
not-
house. It's like this container. You fabricate it to be a house.
For me, I'll say it has been produced. So, what I was trying to say, you see these cranes? They are used to, when the ship is already made, it is made to how it's supposed to be a ship. Then they are used to put it into the lake. Yes, guys. So
Wow.
yeah, so it's on a Sunday today. This is the time we are producing this video, and I hope you're going to watch this video until the end of it, because it's not easy coming to Kisumu Port. It is not coming inside here, my friend. So watch this video. So we headed out. We have already shown you the ships, and one thing I've loved about this place is they have really, okay, English is not, yani, they have equipped themselves with a lot of rescue boats. Like, you know, this is a lake that is, many people are using it, ships going to other countries. So I think it's good when a port has rescue boats, just in case of anything, because we never know, so they have a lot of them, and that is something I've loved about it. And also, it's a very clean place. Have you seen any trash even in the ocean? Have you seen any?
No.
I've not seen any.
So clean.
Very clean. So you should keep the lake clean too.
Yeah.
Don't throw waste. Don't throw those waste garbage, because you know the lake has a lot of animals that are living there. We have fish that we are eating here in Kisumu. We also have hippopotamus. We also have crocodiles inside here. So yeah, you need to. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm with my friend here, Orina.
Hi guys. I am Adson Orina. It's been long doing this.
Yeah.
I think I'll be doing it. So I am Adson Orina. Kindly pass by my house. I'm humbly requesting pass by my house. I'm looking for the watch hours and subscribers. Pass by my house and give me support that I really need. Yeah.
Today is even worn a t-shirt written Samaki Poa.
Samaki Poa. Because I knew I was going to come.
And we have our guide here. What's your name?
Evelyn.
Evelyn, eh?
Yeah.
She works here. So I hope it's okay for you being on the camera. We don't want you to have trouble.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we continue, we go. Yeah, so these are the cranes, as you can see. Oh, they are huge, huh? These ones are huge. And then inside here there is the army on the other end, so just know you cannot misbehave in this place. And there is a police post inside the port. Oh, it is here, inside here. So here you don't joke.
Yeah.
Wow.
Border patrol.
Inside here.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's highly protected.
So you hear OCPD, OCS, Border Patrol, they still have their offices here. So it's so hard for you to access this place, by the way.
Yeah.
Very
Was
hard.
this useful because the other one was the other crane was used for carrying the
Ship.
ship and dropping into the lake. What about this one? The same.
Same function.
I've seen this one is kind
So
of
these are the
like
warehouses used to store
the
the
other one.
cargo.
Pulling the train or what?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. That's the other one that is red in color is used in pulling the train.
Which hotel is that? Or is just a resting place? Or it's
Hapo ni kwa wanajeshi wanapumzika. Kupumzika hapo.
Oh, hao watu wana starehe manze. Hey, those guys have.
Pia hapo.
Hey, uwezi?
Very strict.
Na ile
Na nikifinyia mmoja ya macho hivi.
ile chuma pale chini ni ya police guard ama ni ya
Aka kama a tower or something.
like a tower with the lights hii chuma.
Hiyo chuma ni ya light.
Ya light.
Nimeshikilia hiyo. Nimeshikilia light.
Oh. Ninakaa kama tawa, ni kama kuna mtu anapanda huko naenda
Tawa.
kuona.
Tawa ni ile.
Oh, wow.
Inaitwa Kisugu.
Kisugu.
I know you don't know.
Tower.
Those ones are called Kisugu. Those towers, the police towers.
Police officer climbs with a sniper gun.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you
They
play
watch.
some jokes in the marine, you'll have to face the consequences.
So that was our tour, and when I'm here I can see Riyadh so nicely. Like I can see Riyadh on the other end. Like
Imagine
it's
I can even see the haunted house.
where?
Yeah. There.
Are you sure you can see
Let
it?
me show you. You see nearby the White House, if you go up, it is kind of fenced like this. Have you seen it?
Guys, I have 4 eyes and I cannot see.
That is the haunted house.
What I can see is Riyadh.
That
You
is
see
the
that is
haunted
Riyadh.
house,
Like the view is viewing. It's a good view. So guys, for me, I'm going to end my video at this point. You know, it's been an amazing tour, a great experience inside here. So until next time, guys. Oh, before we end, we are waiting for the water bus. Guys, we are supposed to board the water bus. Okay. Oh guys, on the second video we are going to see to board the water bus, so you have to stay tuned so that you see the water bus and how it looks like. We enjoy the ride, so stay tuned. Until next time, guys, see you. Bye bye, peace.